Hello, Tectonic friends. Yes, Tectonic. We have a Tectonic here with 1 star in not today's newspaper. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, August the 11th, 2021. Yes, yesterday because today on Thursday, August the 12th, 2021, we have no extra Sudokus, no additional, only one Sudoku medium, and I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of yesterday's newspaper in additional, and I have solved the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and now it's the time. Now it's time for the Tectonic. Yes, for the Tectonic lovers. Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be a number 3, 2, 3, 5. Alright. 3, 2, 3, 5. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. So could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But I think it's an easy one because it's a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. I see no single boxes. Wow, no single boxes. Dual boxes, I see here dual box. Here also a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here also, I cannot fill this yet. The 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. And do we have more dual boxes? No. Triple box. I see here the triple box. The 1 is already filled in, so the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 3. I do not know in which order. And remember, if you see a triple box, the inside box is always the 4 or 5. So it's 4 or 5. Alright, more triple boxes? No, quadra boxes. Yes, we have a quadra box here. But I cannot fill this yet. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, the L shape. This is upside down, the L shape. Let me draw this, the L shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has always the same number as that box. And here another one. Upside down. This box has always the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then this kind of shape. Yeah. This kind of shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay. So this box is always the same number as that box. Okay. Then, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. How about this shape? Okay, so this shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes in this puzzle? No. No shape, no these kind of shapes or figures or construction or structures, you name it, whatever. Then the following shape or figure, this one. Yeah, this one. Alright, this one. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So I have marked this with the 1 and the 2, so this should be also 1 or a 2. So this box the same number as that box. And here another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. And I've told you 4 or a 5. But in this case, it's a 4. More of this kind of shapes. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And then the following figure or shape. The T shape. Aha. The T shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. More of T-shapes here? No. Those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. There are more, but in this puzzle, you need to recognize those. There are 5. Okay, so the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. We have here 2 missing numbers. 1, 2, 5, so 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. 3 and a 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and a 4. Okay. That means one number left in this area for the number 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Well, I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise, I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. I need a 1 in the dual box. So the 1 should be here. And the 3 and the 4, the pair should be there. 3 and a 4. All right. These 2 boxes. Wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 3. Because it cannot be 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. Then. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4. So the other pair in this L-shaped area should be for the numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. 1 and a 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 2. But we already have a 2 in this area. So it cannot be a 2 anymore. It should be a 1. Okay. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. And I've eliminated 2. So the 2 goes there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and 4. Alright, that means that box cannot be a 4. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. And that box should be a 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 4. This box can be a 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L shape for the number 1. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 4. Those two boxes cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 here, so one box left for the 4 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. One box left in this L-shaped area for the number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place a 4 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 is not the solution to place the 4 here. The 4 should be there. Alright. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. So we also have 3. One box left in this T shape for the number 4. Alright. Then. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 2 here. So the 2 should be there. Alright, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. One box left in this dual box for the number 1. Okay, I think this box should be a 5. Because it cannot be 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3. Cannot be a 4, so this should be a 5, okay? 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Okay, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes in this quadro box. 2 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 1. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 1. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have another 1 there. So this is not the solution to place the 1 here. The only place for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. Alright. Then. I think this box... Wait. Let me think. These two boxes cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Then these two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Now these two boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Those two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and a 3. Okay. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. and this box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. We have a 1 and a 2 there. Double 2, that means that this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 2. The 1 and a 2 now. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow. At the border, yes. Close call, yes, 50 minutes, all right. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload the new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the quintuplet, for the heavy, for the light, for the medium, for the killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.